Hi, this is Tony, and we're back on the bench. And this evening, I wanted to do a quick video here and talk about combo reels and their drag systems. So these are both Shakespeare Combo Reels that came with ugly sticks here, and they're kind of two different generations here. We've got a Shakespeare GX250, which traditionally would be found attached to a ugly stick GX2 spinning rod. And then we've got a Shakespeare Encore, which is kind of the predecessor to this. I believe this is the USP 250. So they both share the 250 part in mind. They're the same size. They're just different generations basically. But what I want to get into here is the drag systems here. Okay, so if we take apart the top cap here on this Encore, we'll see our drag washer stack resting in there. Real nice. Okay, clean. I just serviced both of these reels, and so they're pretty much ready to be fished again. But if we look at our GX250, it would appear that Shakespeare's really upped their game with combo reels these days, because look at the difference in size of those washers in this GX series here. I'd say it's twice the size of this Encore. So that's really cool because you get a lot more max drag power with those bigger washers there. So it's just one thing to note, when you're shopping, looking at combos or any fishing reel for that matter, that's something that you want to inspect. You want to inspect this drag stack here and see what that's really about. Because, if you're fighting a big fish, that big drag stack is going to be your best friend when that's happening, and it's stripping off all the line off of that reel. When you've got these smaller stacks here, these smaller radiuses, they're going to burn up a lot quicker, and they're just not going to give you the same kind of drag power. So I hope that information's helpful. And thanks again for watching. This is Tony with Back on the Bench. If you like the video, please do give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, please do subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification button. That way you'll get updates on when there's new videos coming out. And we'll see you next time.